In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in ESPN Plus application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to have a good connection. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you're still having any problems regarding your login, you want to simply navigate yourself to the ESPN application. Here's our application. Simply tap and hold on it and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache. And at the bottom of your screen, you can see two options called Clear Cache and Clear Storage. You can simply tap on Clear Cache to clear cache of the application, or click on Clear Storage to delete its saved files. By doing so, the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your logins. However, if there's still any other problems on the application, you can simply restart your device and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.